Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track and Prove, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video will review the Register Reply feature setting in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. The Register Reply feature allows recipients to reply back to the sender as a registered email message, so the sender has a registered receipt record for the back and forth communication. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. The Register Reply feature settings include the following. The first is to enable the Register Reply option on the Feature dialog box. The second option is for power users who would like to pre-select the Register Reply option by default. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.